What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about TvZion. Now, TvZion, as of today, November 2nd, they rolled out the non-beta version. So in other words, it's the full working version. It's TvZion 3.0. It's not a beta version. This one is fully hooked up with a lot of great stuff in it. All right. So enough talking. Let me show you how this application works. So go into it. And this is the first time opening it for myself. So you might see like a sub screen. There you go. See what's new. As you see, you have track support, subtitles, downloads. I don't suggest it. Do not download. I'll be honest with you. There's no reason to download because you're streaming. I mean, if you're going to download, I honestly say, like, just don't do it. I honestly just don't do it. Don't download. There's no reason. You know what I mean? And if you are going to do it and you just like, screw it, you're going to do it, make sure you have a VPN, a great VPN. I use Ipvanish, and Ipvanish has been good to me. For the links I have down below for Ipvanish, so you guys could take advantage of the discount and see how that works for you guys. They got monthly, they got a yearly, and I believe they got a 2-year plan, and they're pretty cheap and affordable, like real cheap. Just check it out. But I'll be honest with you, anytime you stream, you wanna have an Ipvanish. You always want to be hidden and protected from the internet. But anyways, they got 4K movies, new sources. You see the list. It keeps going. New HD section, faster. They got a bunch of new stuff for this version, trailers, and it has a cast directly from the link page. As you see, it has a lot of great stuff, and to be honest with you, I honestly think this pushed out cinema, and this pushed out Cyberflix of my top APK to watch, because this is actually kick-ass. Check it out. So you're gonna, right off the bat, it's gonna give you TV shows. Okay, so you have aired recently, and you could scroll over. Okay, so I mean, if you go fast enough, it's gonna try to shoot up to the top. So what you do is just go like slowly, like this here, and you could keep going, and then you could go air today, and you see here the list just keeps on going and going. Now, if you go all the way up, let me go all the way up here, and you go over to movies, and it should pull up the movies, and it has that older, like that Netflix feel that you could scroll left to right, and then you just go here and then go down, new HD, popular, just the list keeps going. I mean, it goes all the way down. Now, let me just show you how this works. Let's go to in theater. So what you'll do is you'll go over to the Nun, okay? And from this point, on this screen, you see how you have movies that relate to it. I mean, I like that. It gives you choices. Like, let's say you come into this and you're like, this movie's kind of, I don't like it. It kind of doesn't appeal to me. They give you other choices on the bottom here to actually look into, and maybe you might like those. Okay. Also, you can hit the add to the wish list. And so that, let's say later on, you say, well, I want to watch this later, and then you go check it out later, and I'll show you where you got that watch list at. But from here, you hit play. Give it a second. And with TvZion, you can change where it says right here, collecting links will autoplay in 5 links. You can change that to actually 3. So when it finds 3 good links, it's gonna start up. But as of right now, it's gonna search for 5 good links. So it may take a little bit. So already I see it has 3, and what it's gonna do is shoot it to the top, and then it's just gonna try to find another 2 or 3, and the movie should start. Okay. You can also hide this. All you have to do from here, you see how I have the cursor over where it says display links. You just click it off, and you see how it goes away. Okay. And then you also could click the donate, and it gives you like a website or something like that. If you're on the mobile device or cell phone, Actually, I believe it goes straight to the site. But you see, there's 2 it found. I'll show you. There you go. There's 3 on the top. It takes a little long. I should have changed it up, but just to show you, you know, it does take time to pull up, so don't like freak out and say, oh, it's taking forever. You know what I mean? Just give us a couple seconds. Here it goes. It's probably gonna start any second now. Got 3. Okay. This is what I like. There we go. It gives some time. You know what I mean? It's not super fast when it finds the links, but there you go. You see that? Back out of there real quick. Now, that's how you do for the movies, and it pretty much works the same way for the TV shows. Check it out. Go to TV shows, and also too, whatever you watch is gonna say up next. It's gonna show up there. But let's say TV shows, it's kind of the same concept. Give it a second to load up. See what I mean? And the only difference is you go to more episodes, and then you go up top here, and then you have your seasons. Okay, you scroll all your seasons. Okay, you go, let's say season 30. Holy crap, 30 years. And you pick the episode. You click your episode, and you see same concept comes up. But I'm not gonna wait for it. That's 5 links is way too long. If you want to bet, if you put 3, just remember something. If you put 3 links, it may not find the best right away. It might find an okay version. So just keep that in mind. But anyways, so to change that, what you do is you go to these 3 little lines, okay? And remember I clicked that watch list? Watch. See? You have all your stuff there from TV shows to movies. So we're going to back out of that, go back into there. And then you go to your settings, okay? Go to your settings, scroll down. What I like about this is you can add your RD account, which is real debraid or something like that. I can't pronounce that. And then just keep going down. You could add your track, which I have. You could synchronize it and all that. You could keep going down. I'm trying to see here. Always ask for lists. There it goes. See how it says the minimum links to resolve before autoplay? You click that, and then you could even go to 1 if you want. But click 3, and then you just go down the list. And I just want to show you something. See how here it says current version, says the latest installed 3.0? If there's ever a new version, it says check for new version. You'll click that, and it'll actually kind of give you like an auto update. But if it doesn't work, don't sweat it. I'll have it on my APK store when the new versions come out. Okay, so that being said, I just want to show you one more awesome thing. You see that upside down triangle? You see how it says 9anime? Check it out. You have best of both worlds. You have the anime world, and you have the movie and TV show world. This here is basically your animation. Look, you got Dragon Ball. You have, I mean, it's Naruto. It has, like, I don't want to say everything, because what I realize while I'm doing these tutorial videos is there's a huge universe for anime. So I'm not going to say there's all anime here, but it seems like this has a pretty good chunk of it. And you could also go to movies. You could go to all specials, and it'll show all that. Okay, so yeah, here goes One Punch Man. You know what I mean? Like, it's pretty freaking cool. Okay, so enough talking. Let me show you how you get this application. It's real easy to do. Okay, if you don't have FileLink, the FileLink links of how to get them and how to use them is down below. Okay. And if you already have FileLink and you already download it, what you're going to do from this point is you're going to click it, you're going to open it, and you're going to enter my channel's store APK number is 645-39676. Okay, once you have that, you're going to hit continue. Okay, dismiss that. This is a welcome screen I put up. You're going to scroll down. Okay. Let me keep going down here, and it should be right There, see it? TvZion 3.0. And what I do usually is I date when I upload it, I'll date it so you know it's a newer version, or you know what I mean. I try to keep it up to date as much as I can. Okay, so there you go. At this point, you see how from the download button changed to the play button. You just click the play button, click down to install, let it install. Once it installs, it's going to say done or open, and that's it. You're done. Then you can open it and enjoy. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys actually did enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and as well share the video. It'd be awesome, because the more eyes it goes to, the better it is. You know what I mean? So also, I have a support group, my Facebook support group for my channel. So if you guys have questions or ideas, or even can help me, you can even help me out. Educate me a little bit better on some of the things, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not knowledgeable on everything. I try to be. I read stuff up, I read research, but if someone's out there that has better knowledge, hey, we can help each other out. That's what the Facebook support group is for. And also, I have a Twitter account for the channel. Check it out. You know what I mean? Explore. Twitter is not really my thing, but I did it for just social media. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people do have Twitter. Check it out, join it, and basically we could communicate better. Anyways, because I'm babbling, hope you guys have a great night, and take it easy.